wanted to do is give you guys an update on my first paycheck of January. That's right, I did get paid yesterday, which was Wednesday. Today is Thursday, and I got paid. And after about 3, 4, 5 changes, I finally was able to come up with my number. So what I'm going to do is zoom you guys in, and let me rotate this down here. So first of all, let me get another pen, because this is not what I want to use. This is where I keep some of my pens, my highlighters, different paper clips. And I got this in a sub box from Gold Mining Cocoa, of course. So let's go ahead and get started with the actual income. And then I'll let you know what I'm doing with this later. So when it comes to work income, remember I did lowball myself just because I really didn't know. So my old benefits, I'm going to put them on this side, and then the new benefits with the amount, I'm going to put them over here, and you can see the difference is about 50 bucks or so. So now I know what I need to budget for when it comes to working. So for the work income, remember it was a holiday, so I did get holiday pay. The actual amount after deductions, taxes, automatic deposits, the work deposit account was $1,486.12. And I don't like the way this pen writes, so I'm going to get another one. 148,612. And when it comes to extra, instead of me getting 200 like I thought, I actually got 250. So 250 plus my work income brings us a total of $1,736.12. You see the difference? See how low I estimated I think I would have gotten paid and was able to budget out for it? So if I can budget on a lower amount, so can you. So when it comes to offering, instead of sending my sister $115, I actually sent her $163.61. So $163.61. When it comes to the budget income, instead of the budget income being $1,235, the budget income is $1,572.51. The expenses are all the same. I've pretty much paid everything. Vandy haven't came out yet. That won't come out until the 16th, which this is an automatic payment. I did send $382.50 over to my checking account. That way I can go to the bank on my next off day if the roads aren't bad. Also, when it comes to February bills, I did send $100 over to my checking account. Others will stay blank. So just like before, the expenses are the same at $696.41. Now, instead of me having $538.59 left after subtracting this amount from this amount, I'm just going to put planned And the actual, when it comes to the actual amount left, it's actually $876.01. I realized that planned amount should have been down here, but that's okay. I don't want to use any whiteout if I can help. When it comes to the actual categories for cash envelopes, let me just zoom you guys in. So at first I wanted to plan for $150. I'm actually going to keep that amount for $150. So I'm not going to change it. When it comes to laundry, I'm going to keep that amount for $20. When it comes to giving, that amount did change. I just used $10 from my money to buy the baby some diapers. And I had my mom and sister to go to the store to pick them up and take them to her. When it comes to spending, I was going to budget for $15, but hands and bands, I finally did it. I finally ordered my scratch offs from your Etsy. So instead of me budgeting for $15, the budget amount was $22. I did send the rest of what was left, which was 15 cents, to savings. When it comes to house, the amount for house is still the same for $10. When it comes to just in case, that amount is still $20. When it comes to gas, and I'll put a screenshot here somewhere. So I went to Sam's Club. Gas was about $2.82. So I was actually able to fill up for $39 and some change. So I am right on when it comes to the gas amount. So that amount isn't going to change either. So let me find my calculator. And let's just see what the actual amount is when it comes to cash envelopes. So we got 150, 20, 10, 22, 10, 20, 40. $272 is going to or already went to cash envelopes. So I'll write that down. Also, when it comes to groceries, I went to Walmart. I spent $80, so I only have $70 left. Now, if I do need to use any more money, I'll just get it from just in case or random savings, because we are supposed to get more snow. And I'll just put a picture of the precipitation here. So when it comes to savings, I've already written everything out and we'll just look at it together. When it comes to as if I had a car, that amount did not change. When it comes to car maintenance, I did plan for $10, but I'm actually sending car maintenance $70 since I need to see about my headlight getting fixed. When it comes to medical, even though I have enough eye drops and whatever else that I may need, I still want to keep a lot of cash in medical. When it comes to random savings, instead of planning for $10, I actually budgeted for $35. When it comes to Operation Move, instead of spending the planned amount for $5, Operation Move planned amount was $5, but I put $70. When it comes to birthday, I put $5. When it comes to Valentine's Day or gifts, I did put $35. When it comes to month ahead, I did $40 instead of $5. When it comes to vacation, I did $40 instead of $5. When it comes to Christmas, I did $15 instead of $5. When it comes to girls trip, instead of giving it nothing, I am going to give it $10. Even though I'm not sure when we're going on a girls trip, I may use this money to take my mom somewhere for her birthday if you can get her out the house, because yeah, you know, Roro is terrible and she definitely don't want to get sick. So when it comes to extra Roth, instead of doing $9.59, I am doing $6.01. When it comes to travel, instead of doing $10, I'm doing 30. In my previous video, I did let you guys know that I may have to go meet my sister and brother-in-law halfway to make sure that he gets to his surgery. He actually canceled it and he's going to reschedule. When it comes to buy me a coffee, I did do that today. I didn't forget, Kris. See? All together, this equals up to $606.01 or 10 cents or whatever. So I'm saving over $600 for the first paycheck of January. Now, I'm not really sure what my next paycheck will look like, so it may be a little lower. And if so, we'll just have to budget it and continue to save just a little amount of money if possible.